To replace the trimmer line for a Green Machine string trimmer, you're going to line up the arrow on the bump knob to the arrow on the cartridge. You're going to turn the bump knob counterclockwise till they line up, and the Green Machine string trimmer will accept about 12 feet of trimmer line from 0.063 to 0.095 inches in diameter. You're going to push the end of your trimmer line into the eyelet that's marked line in and follow the angle of the arrow. It's going to come out the other side, and you're going to pull up on both ends until they're equal lengths. Now you're going to hold the cartridge with one hand and turn the bump knob counterclockwise, and you want to keep turning it till the ends are at the length of the cutoff blades.